Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go, and we have barely anybody in the chat. We got Chris, man. What's going on, Chris? First in the chat this morning. CD Wit, good morning to you. Nick F, good morning to you. Dark Bro, Moji, J Bones, Moji, Robert, Moji, J Bones, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's jump into the market and see what's happening so far today. We've got Elmo on the screen. That's not the market. We have got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $9.99, $10 a share. Oh my gosh, AMC looking pretty healthy right there. We've got Shiba Inu coin at the top right-hand side sitting at 694. GameStop, bottom right, 1464. The QQQ, NASDAQ, man, breaking back up into positive territory, breaking through this intraday level of resistance, coming back up into the green right now, looking pretty solid at the moment, and might be bouncing back up above this intraday trend line. I was watching this intraday trend line right here, fell through it, and now it might be trying to break back up above it. We've got the NASDAQ doing the same thing. NASDAQ looking pretty solid after opening up lower, doing nothing but moving higher today. AMC 1004. AMC the solid 7.5% gain today. GameStop 1464. Dogecoin 5.9 cents right now. Pretty tough morning for cryptocurrency, as you guys can see right here. Shiba Inu coin coming all the way down to 684. Dogecoin coming all the way down to 5.8 cents. Ethereum coming all the way down to 1565. And Bitcoin tapping all the way down to 28,100 right here. And seems to be a pretty tough morning, pretty volatile morning so far, but might be recovering into the afternoon here. The SPY sitting at 437.48 right now. Moving nicely with the overall market. QQQ 369.23. Mullen Auto sitting at 36.7 cents. Mullen Auto back up 2.5% today, but still touching these all-time lows on Mullen Auto, looking pretty tough there. Sundial, $1.59. Netflix, $359.14 now. Throwing a red line on the screen after some nice greens, which is probably what was boosting the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 right there. Highcroft Mining sitting at 30 cents. MPW, $5.16. MPW looking pretty good after touching them 460 lows. 2 green days in a row, bringing us back to 5.15 right here. Not bad at all. Tesla, $250, $5.42. Tesla is showing some massive strength right there all morning long, breaking out of this little channel and throwing some major greens on the screens. Actually, Tesla looking pretty good, though, overall. I was looking at the daily chart this morning. Dude, Tesla is continuing to follow this daily trend line, this yellow line, perfectly. It tried to break down through it this morning, just barely, and now it's bouncing back up a little bit off of that yellow line. If it breaks down through it, you got some negative action coming in for Tesla there, but as of right now, still maintaining that yellow trend line higher. Joby sitting at $1.75, 1.75% higher on the day today, $6.38 there. And TMC sitting at 90 cents, flat barcode. I don't know if we're going to keep TMC on the screen much longer there. I don't even know if anybody's even invested into TMC right now, but 90 cents and not looking too hot at the moment. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out in the bottom left-hand side of the screen here, and hopefully it ends up moving higher on the day. But like I say, right now it is down just slightly, 0.19% lower over the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu coin, man. Shiba Inu coin needs to sit on some green candles if we want the action to return there. What's going on, Crypto Dreamer? How you doing, man? Glad to have you. Kombu, glad to have you in here. Dark Bro. Hey, bro. Take a look at LFG Luffy G5. Let's take a look at it. Old Rounder, good morning to you as well, bro. The famous ones, good morning, folks. Kombu, yo, Dark Bro on OPN coin doubled last night while I was distracted on Facebook Marketplace and dropped below my buy. Oh my gosh. Dude, you gotta be fast in the crypto space. I read one of Queenie's posts this morning, and Queenie was saying, you know, she was thankful that she didn't get involved with yesterday's Bitcoin rally, but, you know, that's one of the benefits of, you know, not missing out on an opportunity like that. But then, of course, if you do miss out on an opportunity, cryptocurrency moves so stinking quick, man. It moves so stinking quick that if you don't take advantage of it when it's rolling, I mean, you end up in a situation where it does drop back down. Let's see. Looking for Buffalo Wings. Shower Curtain Kombu. We got a Buffalo Wings shower curtain? Is that a thing? I didn't even know that was a thing. All right. Let's check out Dark Bros Luffy. That sounds weird. Don't say that. Let's just check out Luffy. Let's just check out Luffy. How about that? I'm not gonna check out Dark Bro. What the heck does that even mean? Alright, Luffy G5 LFG. This is the one we're looking at right here. Woo! Wow, down 65% this morning to a $47,000 market cap. Yikes, man. Down on increasing volume. That means we got a major sell-off coming in here. Over the last 7 days, it is down 80%. Over the last month, it is down 80%. Over the last... Okay, it's been out a week. That's what we got here. It's been out a week. It came out October 12th, and it is already down 79%. Luffy G5. Dark Bro, you telling me you a major whale in this bad boy right here? What do you got going on, dude? This Moji thinks got spicy sauce in... Oh, man. Imagine being stopped out of Bitcoin short on that fake news pump yesterday. Yeah, that would have been terrible, and it happens. That's why these leverage positions are so crazy. I saw that 71 or 79, I think was the number that I saw. It was like 71 or 79 million dollars in leverage positions were liquidated yesterday. Dude, that is a lot of money just to have disappear based on some fake news. So it is a very strong, I guess, reality that you've got to be careful out there. Because if you're losing $79 million, and that's not one person, right? That's total. But if you're losing $79 million on some leverage positions, on some fake news, that is going to hit you pretty hard, man. So one of my potential earners, I've been tracking that coin, and another one called Long. Check out that one too. I saw that coin when it was $132, kicking myself in the foot right now. He's like stomping on his own foot, man. Dark Bro's over there stomping on his own foot. That's what he's doing. All right, so this one obviously was not $132. We'll look at Long, because that one was probably at $132. I don't know if it's Long or Long coin. Oh, wait! Dang, man. Yeah, probably seen it back in this area. This is a week? Smokes, dude. This is a crazy graph. This bad boy's up like 10x. Jumping 10x. Since it came out. Wow. And this is not like a honeypot where you can't get out. Wow, Dark Bro, man, that's a pretty solid graph right there, and it's still following. How do we have a trading view on this one? We don't have trading view on so many others. We don't have trading view on this one. It's still following this ascending trend line pretty nice, man. It's right here at that level where you could buy in and expect it to double in price if the same trend continues on. So that's actually not bad at all, Dark Bro. Long is looking like a very good long position right there. That's solid, going from $132 a coin to $1,500 a coin right now, well above $2,000 a coin just a couple of days ago, a couple of hours ago. That was today. Wow. Yeah, touching $2,300 a coin right here. 2308 dropping off with a huge sell order coming in, I'm sure. Somebody taking their profit right here on a nice 10x gain. And steadying off a little bit, man. That's not bad at all for Long. That looks pretty sweet. Where are you picking that one up at? Is it just Pancake Swap? Yeah, it seems like just Pancake. It's not even listed. Dude, if that coin gets listed, which I don't know if it will, it seems pretty expensive. I don't know if these exchanges like to list such expensive coins. But, dude, if that coin gets listed, you're probably going to see an even further increase in price. Hey, dudes, hope everybody's having a good day today. Bender, having a great day today, man. Hope you are as well. Have a great day. Boom, Robbie, perfect, man. 20x long on XRP and missed that pump as well. Parenting and crypto don't mix well. Sure they do. You got to be up all night if you got a kid. You got to be up all night if you got your crypto. So just I don't know, man. Set your tablet up, hold the kid, and if anything pops off, I don't know, click your take profit button. You're good to go. Having a kid would keep you up all night, and you'd be able to watch crypto moving all night. So I think it's actually a perfect combination there. Someone got rug pulled. I hope. Nah, no, that's all legit growth. WTF, no way. Are you talking about the long token being a rug pull or a honeypot there? Is that what you're talking about, roulette wheel? Can't sleep with crypto and can't sleep with a kid either. It's crazy, man. Either way, you're getting no sleep. The QQQ, guys, it does seem to be bouncing back up. It is going to be following this trend line right here. And you know what? You might have to... that is just a crazy curve. That is a crazy curve. I can't imagine it's going to be ascending like this all day long. If it is, that's going to be some crazy growth right there. But it's following who? It's following Tesla. Tesla's showing nothing but strength on the chart right now. And if it continues to show nothing but strength, the overall market is going to show nothing but strength. Tesla bouncing back like a beast at the moment. Up 1% after being down this morning from 247 all the way up to 256. It's going to be jumping $10 per share in just a matter of hours here. Tesla going on a massive rally, busting through the intraday level of resistance, and it is taking the overall market with it right now. Netflix is starting to bounce back a little bit, so Netflix might be ruining some of those gains right there, but I believe Tesla having a heavier weight than Netflix does. Amazon, I would have bet Amazon is slowly moving up as well. Amazon slowly moving up as well today, bringing the overall market back with it. So you're seeing some strength in Amazon, you're seeing some strength in Tesla, and that's why you're seeing some strength in the overall market there. I bet Apple. What's Apple looking like today? Yeah, Apple bouncing back nicely as well, showing that strength on the chart. These trend lines are absolutely ridiculous, though. These trend lines are essentially unsustainably steep. I find it very difficult to believe that we are going to be seeing $5, $10 rallies in the price of these stocks, and especially knowing that something like Apple is coming up against some horizontal resistance right here. I don't know if it's going to be able to sustain these levels after tapping horizontal resistance and such a steep trend line higher. So watch out for that one. If it curls back over and ends up breaking down below this trend line at any point, the daily direction may be changing there. But my gosh, dude, the overall market is looking pretty stinking strong today with massive trend lines to the upside. So keep that in mind. Just watch out for it. Netflix not doing too much there, but the overall market essentially soaring higher, man. Don't get caught in it. If it can't sustain these lines, don't get caught in it. That's all I got to say. J-Bones! 28 months, bro. Oh my gosh. J-Bones, dude. Fabio Jones is king of the world, baby. King of the world. Fabio Jones coming in hot with 28 months of bro, man. Absolutely love it right there. Congratulations to J-Bones, dude. I think J-Bones is the longest active member in the chat. At least it consistently shows up, right? J-Bones absolutely killing it. And dude, I want to say that I absolutely appreciate you keeping that name for 28 months, man. That is incredible. Robbie wants to know, how is Bitcoin looking? We'll take a look at how Bitcoin's looking, man. We got Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen right now, sitting at $28,490. Showing some volatility this morning, but Bitcoin bouncing back off these $28,000 lows. 28,600 remains to be your resistance that you need to break. We did break up above it on that fake news back there, but run into resistance, run into resistance. Run into resistance. 28.6. I did not put this line on the chart yesterday. This line's been on the chart for a few days, or for probably a few weeks now. This line coincides with this support area back here. Coincides with this resistance area back here. Resistance area back here. And I think that's all you got this year, right? Yeah, you got to go all the way back to 2022. It was support back in 2022. So you got that right there. but massive levels of now resistance at this 28.6 mark. And I believe that's one of the reasons Bitcoin fell back down to this area and was testing it yesterday and is, of course, testing it again today as resistance. If we break through, we might get an excellent rally. If we fall back off, we could be headed back down to 28 flat. All the way back down to 25 is a possibility. Somebody sent another chat so I can see what that super chat is that Dark Bro sent there. It's being covered up by that heart. I've been reading crypto winter is over. Is that true with altcoins still suffering? I mean, the whole market is so oversold and primed for upwards movement. So, man. The crypto winter, the bottom is, let me put it this way. If you're talking about winters, I don't know if winter is over yet or not. The tundra, the terrible blizzard might be over. We might not see Bitcoin touching 15,000 again. The bottom may be in. But is it still cold outside? Absolutely. Is it going to be a harsh spring? It absolutely could be, man. We might not be escaping the weather of the winter yet. We might not have the massive rallies or the slow and steady growth that we want. But the winter may be over. Now, we always know they can come sucker punch us in the side of the head if the SEC doesn't approve the ETFs, if something drastic happens in terms of regulation. That could catch us off guard pretty big time, and of course would not be good for crypto. So I think that the winter may be over, but it's definitely still cold. Dark Bro! I can do it! I can do it! I can do it! Oh! Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the super chat. Loving that one right there, man. Guys gotta keep working out. Do it, man. Do it, man. Do it, man. Do it. I was thinking, what? You were thinking blowing on something? Nufo! Thank you for the super chat. Nufo says, thank you very much, Nufo, for the King Turkey. Best turkey on YouTube. Best turkey you guys are ever going to see. That there, my friends, is a turkey call. Loving it, Nufo. Appreciate you on that one, man. Don't hurt yourself, Mo. Never hurt yourself, Mo. Don't do it. Don't blow too hard. PM Righteous. Good morning to you. Glad to have you in here right now. $248 in dividends yield max this month. Payment came rolling in yesterday. Very nice, Kenneth, man. Ripping the yield max dividends. And you guys got to be careful with those yield max. So if the dividends came rolling in yesterday, TSLY should be doing very well right now. It should be well above 1460, which is where it was 2 months ago. But let's see where TSLY is now. 1375. So I know for a fact they're just redistributing your position to you. Because it should have been much over $1 higher. And you're getting 57 cents a share, 58 cents a share. So, yeah, you're basically sitting exactly in the same spot that you would have been in because your capital losses are getting hit pretty hard to make up for those dividend income that you're getting there. J-Bones is the only millionaire here. He might be, man. He might be. There's a blizzard coming. Oh, no, dude. I don't want no more blizzards. I don't like the snow. I don't like the snow. More like crypto fall. Winter is coming. If we haven't even experienced the winter yet, roulette wheel, oh my gosh, I'm going to be upset, man. Just came back from the gym. Chill, bro. Robbie, you can never chill. You got to get it, and you got to get it. That's weird. Clay, just put $100 in Ethereum, $100 Ethereum in staking. I will lose my coins. What will happen now? No. So, Claudio, you're not going to lose your coins if you stake your coins. I don't know how long you staked them for, right? But depending on when you can unlock your coins, you're going to be earning rewards up until that point. Now, it's almost like a little bit of a distribution. You're going to be earning interest on your staked Ethereum. You do not lose those coins, but you may not have access to them right away. You have to wait until you can unlock those coins before you can touch them and trade them and sell them again. So I don't know the terms of your delegation there. So I don't know when you can go ahead and sell your coins, but you might not have access to them until they are unlocked. So you're locking them up, and in return, you're receiving those rewards. But you won't lose them, man. You won't lose them. You can stalk me for a little $50 price tag, baby. Oh, yes. You can stalk me, too, if you want. $50, I'll take it. Any play in Tup? No play in Tup for me. Any of you guys got Tupperware out there? To me, bro, did you hear about Caspa Coin, Bitcoin 2.0? Crypto King. I did not hear that it is the Bitcoin 2.0, but Caspa is killing it, man. Caspa is honestly, Caspa's soaring. Caspa's having a wonderful, wonderful year. We can look at it, though. I like to pork my coins. Well, dude, you pork them, you stalk them, you do whatever you want with them. Let's see. What was I going to look at? Oh, Tupperware. I want to pull up Tupperware real quick. What is Tupperware? Ooh, Tupperware's starting to run again. Tupperware, is this bankruptcy news right here going from 16 cents? Oh, my gosh. Is that what that says? Oh, 61 cents. 61 cents to $5.90, back down to $1.19, and it is on a roll again. Watch out. If it breaks this level, which is where it's attempting to break right now, yes, Tupperware could absolutely go on another run. I mean, I don't mess around with these bankrupt companies. This guy is bankrupt, right? All right, this news only goes... All right, debt restructuring. So, yeah, I'm sure they're going through their bankruptcy proceeding there. Oh, jeez. I don't know why people celebrate debt restructuring so much. But, yeah, dude, if it's good enough news, you might be seeing it run back up to $5.90 again, $5 a share again, which would be an excellent gain from where you're at right now. You're going to double your money. So if you guys want to jump in something as risky as Tupperware, jump in something as risky as Tupperware. But to me, that just seems a little crazy right there. Overall markets continuing to soar right now. The SPY breaking up and touching a new daily high. The QQQ doing the exact same thing. Posted nothing but green lines and gains on the chart today. 369.91 here, soaring through the intraday level of resistance. Listen, all of these red lines today are being met with even bigger green lines. If you throw a green, 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 okay, little red. Green, 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 little red. Green, green, all you're going to have is gains all day today. The SPY tried to, or the QQQ tried to fall back down through this ascending trend line earlier today, but just slowed out and steadied out its ascending trend. And, yeah, it continues to float right above the intraday level of resistance, which is at about the break-even level. 0.07% higher on the day today. This 369, I believe like 30 is your break-even mark on the day. I'd be surprised if you actually get two red candles in a row here because it has been nothing but greens all day long. So keep an eye on that. Following what? Following Tesla. Tesla throwing some major gains up. If Tesla did curl over at that 257 mark, this would make me slightly concerned here if you guys are thinking about playing the index long. If Tesla did curl over at this 256.90 mark and it starts to come back down here, I would imagine it's going to bring on some pretty heavy pressure for the overall QQQ as well, even though it's throwing a green line on the screen right now. If Tesla does end up coming back down with some reds, I think you're going to see some reds overall, but Amazon seems to be floating it at the moment. Yeah, that's where you got this green lines coming in right here, and Amazon continuing higher, and therefore floating the overall market. So really, it's going to be a battle of the tech stocks. Does Amazon outweigh Tesla in the gains today, or do we end up seeing some intraday resistance at this 132.50 mark that we're trading at right now? I don't know, man. Break even on the day. If you see a curl over here, I'd watch out for the overall market. But Amazon looks like it's pretty tough one right there. As Tesla seems as though it might be falling a little. Oh, Joe, if it was me, Link is still up a decent amount on the week. XRP and Polygon are better buys right now. There you go. Dark Bro looking at them pretty heavy. What are we talking about here? Pudgy, nobody ever really knows what we're talking about here, but I'm glad you're in here. Found a wild lottery play stock. Alt. Heard about it from a friend of the defense in the defense industry. AULT. Interesting. Alt Alliance. What do we got? Ooh, and it is up 21% today. Yeah, that could be it. Wow, dude. This is as bad as Molinado, man. Holy smokes. $1 million market cap. 1.4, dude, after all of the reverse splits this stock has had, it's got a $1.4 million price point in 2017. So 1 for 300 split right there. 1 for 40. 1 for 20. Alright, that's all the splits I see. Wow. My gosh, how far do I have to zoom in? Dude. Green, green, red, 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 green, red, green, red, green, red, 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 green, green, red, 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 green, green, red, 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 green, red, 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 green, red, 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 green, red, 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 red. I'd watch out on that one, Tim. But yeah, dude, if it's a defense stock, if they get some sort of a contract out there, you might absolutely see this bad boy bouncing back up. Where did this line come from? Did I put this on here? Tim, I don't know if... Did I put this line on here just now, or was this on here? I don't remember looking at alt. Huh. I don't remember looking at alt, but apparently 78 signifies something. I don't even know what. All-time low right there, maybe? When we might have been looking at it. All right. Tesla's still throwing some reds. Be careful with that one. Shiba Inu coin sitting dead sideways, man. AMC is up 9% today to $10.15. AMC is actually looking very strong on the day, possibly coming back up to retest this level of resistance way back up here at $11 per share. If it tests $11 per share, be careful. It got rejected last time. If it gets rejected again, you know, it's going to be a good day to play some puts. If it breaks up through, watch out, man. $13, $14 all the way up to $20 might be in the cards for AMC. So we'll keep an eye on that one as well, but it's looking pretty good today. Discord link. Yeah, we got a Discord. I'll put the link in the chat right now if you want to join the Discord. Copied that. Hold on. All right, you want to join the Discord? There's a fresh link for you right there. Are you buying Casper, bro? Do people know about the new Casper coin? Well, Casper's been out about a year, right? I don't know if it's necessarily a new coin, but I do not own any Casper, but I really like Casper's all-time graph. Casper has been performing phenomenally over the last year. You look at this all-time graph right here. It has done nothing but bounce off these higher lows, and that is exactly what it did right here. You know, I don't know if PS5 is still in Caspo, but he had a decent leveraged position that he got into, I believe, at like 4.1 or 4.2 cents on this pullback right here. So I don't know if he's still in or not, but this is a 250x gain since it was introduced back in, June of 2022. phenomenal increase and nothing but higher lows being hit. The only concern that I would have is that this billion-dollar valuation at 5 cents has resulted in a triple top. If it doesn't break through it on this next attempt, you may see things begin to kind of ease out for Caspa's gains there. Pudgy, need a new job. Pudgy, I'm trying to think of job ideas. Help me out here. Somebody help Pudgy. What kind of job ideas you looking for, man? AMC to Buto. Yes, Nufo, man. Put square peg in a round hole. Let's do it. I'm going to hit you guys with an ad right now because it is 12:32, and you guys need an ad. 12 likes. There's 34 people in here, and only 12 of you click the like button. Oh my goodness. Guys, click the like button while you get this ad. And of course, let me know if you skipped the first ad or the second ad. Appreciate everybody that skips the second ad because it literally doubles ad revenue if you do that. Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter might be a pretty fun job. Dark Bro needs something to do. There you go. I'm bored. Bounty Hunter would definitely keep you not bored. That's a fact. Love Caspa coin. This coin is going to make millions a year. Yeah, Crypto King, man. Caspa's already 250x. So a lot of people, if you would have invested, what? No, if you would have invested 10 grand, you'd have $2.5 million. 5 grand, you'd have $1.2 million. So if you would have invested like $4,000, you would, at the beginning, you would have $1 million right now. I know that everybody can't go out there and invest $4,000, right? But if you invested 4 grand, you'd have $1 million in Caspa right now. That is insane, and that happened over a 1-year period. In that case, be a tour guide in Africa. Let's get started. Pudgy, warehouse work. Could do that as well. 13 now. 13. I just got here. Thank you guys for clicking that like button. One of you did it. Now we have 18 likes. Appreciate all of you. Let's get some Caspa fams. Let's do it, man. No, I really like Caspa. Caspa's a nice chart, and Caspa's a beautiful graph right there. Plays Polygon at a good price right now. Well, let's take a look, Claudio. No ad. Josh. It's terrible, man. Wish you would have got an ad. Go shout toodles from the... You could shout toodles from the highest mountain. That would do it. Ad 30, Clay. Kombu sent the ad out already. Hopefully you got one. Appreciate you. Talking about me, Jeff? I appreciate you. So, Clay, the largest home builder in the country is over-leveraged. Housing market prices are falling. If we see a collapse, your thoughts on what it's going to do to the market a winter I speak of? Okay. So, yes, Kenneth, if you're looking at it that way, right? If you're looking at a potential economic collapse due to a falling real estate industry, I would say that you are most likely or logically going to see a further decline in cryptocurrency prices, in stock prices, and so on. Now, it doesn't always have to work out logically. We know that. And even if we see housing prices get hit by 30%, a 30% decline in Bitcoin would not equal a new all-time low, or not a new recent low. We have to see at least a 50% decline in the price of Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies, not altcoins, but Bitcoin, if we want to see fresh new lows hit. I don't know if we're going to see those types of declines. So a few things to consider is just how large of an impact we're going to see on a housing market collapse. Yes, the prices of these houses may fall, but when you're talking about overall market collapse of the real estate industry, the question you have to ask yourself, are they going to result in foreclosures? Can the people that live in these houses and own these houses right now continue to afford these houses? And if the answer is yes, it's probably not going to be devastating. They're just going to be underwater for a while. They're still going to be able to make their payments. If the answer is no, that's when you see the real economic fallout and the major declines like we saw, or similar to what we saw back in 2008. So that's kind of what I think on that. But yes, it could lead to lower lows if it's catastrophic. No ad for me. Kenneth, man, go watch an ad. Polygon. I got to pull up Polygon for Claudio. Let's look at Matic. All right, pulling up Matic right here. Polygon sit at 52 cents. Is it a good price? Well, yes, it's a good price, but let's pull up and see where we're at in terms of support. Pretty low level and pretty, I'd say 2 month long, 1 month long level of support right here at 50 cents. The all-time graph, you're at a strong level of support. So, Claudio, the only thing that I'd be looking out for is if it breaks this 50 cent level, which it absolutely can. If it breaks this level, we're probably going to be falling all the way back down to 40 cents. Now, 40 cents is an extremely important level on Polygon. Back at the beginning of 2021, we ran very quickly with a 10x gain from 20x gain almost, from 2 cents here all the way up to 40 cents. Now, it only spent a month in this 40 cent range, so there's very little resistance there. It tapped it here for about a week and bounced right off of it in the middle of 2022 here, and has found stronger support in this 50 cent area. So 50 cent support comes in here, and then 50 cent support is being hit right here. I would say if the SEC does not approve a Bitcoin spot ETF, if they deny it again, Bitcoin's going to tumble back down, and I believe that Polygon's going to drop below the 50 cent level of support. And I think that it could fall all the way back down to 40 cents. And if that's the case, man, you got a decent level there, but a very crucial level to maintain at 40 cents. If it can't maintain that 40 cent level, watch out, dude. You might be dropping all the way back down to be probably about 5 cents, somewhere in this area. So that would be my major concern. But yes, it is at a good level of support right now. The only thing you got to watch out for is the overall market news. If a Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved, I think you're jumping back up rather nicely. If it does not get approved, I think you're going to be testing 40 cents. So that's what I'd be on, or be thinking about right there. Come on. I hope you trip and fall. Face first. Whoa! Moji, don't fall, man. Bitcoin may be ready for a retest. I hope that it is, man. I want to see some gains. What are your thoughts on Virgin Galactic Holdings? Space. We can look it up in terms of technicals. I don't know exactly everything that they're doing, Benjamin, in creating a valuable company and fundamentals, but we can look at their technicals here in a second. I want to have a scrap metal yard and have a contract with mines and contractors for all their scrap metal. Well, Pudgy, open it up, man. What are you waiting on? If that's what you want to do, go for it. Just give it a shot, man. Big bucks and scrap metal, heck yeah, when the SEC will do a Bitcoin thing. Claudio, nobody really knows. So they're expecting in the next couple of months an answer on BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. So I would say maybe by the end of the year, we might have an answer on the ETF thing. That's my best guess. I see a complete collapse housing-wise. Prices are falling. People overpaid. Even if interest rate drops back down, only loan 80% loan to value on a refi. People would drop thousands. They don't have to refi. They don't have to refi foreclosure. Well, Kenneth, I do know that people drastically overpaid. Right? I know that people drastically overpaid, and I know their payments are extremely heavy right now. But people will continue to pay on underwater investments to continue living in them. I know that foreclosure is the last step. And I do believe, right? I do believe we're going to see prices of these houses drop dramatically. I just don't know if it's going to result in the foreclosures. So if prices drop dramatically, it just means that those that own real estate might be underwater for a while. It doesn't necessarily mean an overall economic collapse, at least the way that I view it, right? That's just wrong. It took me an hour and 20 minutes for 18 minutes commute. Bree guy, man, what the heck is going on with your traffic over there? That is nuts. Hopefully everything works out for you and you don't have any commute like that on the way home, because that's crazy. Tesla bouncing back a little bit right now, guys. Tesla touching 256.72. It is getting ready to test a new... This is crazy, man. These intraday highs just keep getting higher and higher. Does it break through this 256.93 level, or does it get a double rejection and a decline afterwards? That's the question on everybody's minds, because we have nothing but gains going on the screen right now. But looking at the QQQ here, touching back down 20 cents. I imagine that Amazon might be coming back down a little bit. And let's see Amazon throwing a couple red lines, getting rejected off that intraday resistance level, but still looking very healthy on the day here, and throwing those green lines right now to come back up and retest the intraday highs. Crazy how this action takes place. Power poles and cars don't mix. 775 Brie guy, they do not, man. You know how much money that costs, Clay? No. Pudgy, I actually have no idea how much money that costs. And I don't know what your intentions would be with the business, or how you would exactly want to start it. But, dude, and I don't know what the mining industry already looks like. But I would say that you could, depending on the type of vehicles that you already have, or if you own a trailer or anything like that, dude, I would say you could easily go around collecting the scrap, or individually getting contracts with some of these smaller companies out there to take their scrap metal, and then you take it to the yard. And I know that doesn't make you the yard, but it could be a great way to enter the industry, get the contacts, build yourself up a little bit, get the money necessary to create a scrap yard, and then from there, you become the scrap yard. Yeah, I mean, it's just overnight businesses don't form out of nowhere, so I would say work your way up, dude. Put yourself on the path that you guys want to be on. Dead serious. If you're not working or walking towards something, what are you doing? You're just walking. Might as well have your eyes closed. So I say do it, Pudgy. I say give yourself the best chance of success possible, man. I think Glon has died, or is about to. Still holding on. I'm number 3 on the holders list. Holy moly, Dark Bro. That is nuts, man. And Dark Bro's number 3 on the holder list, man. That means Dark Bro's got some control over there. Vegas Inu Shill still hanging out. I did see a Vegas Inu Shill here a minute ago, but I don't know if they're still in here or not. Is it good to buy Bitcoin now? I mean, do $50 each week on it. So, Claudio, it very well could be. The negative of buying Bitcoin right now is if the SEC comes out and says no ETF. The positive of buying Bitcoin right now is that we may already be trending higher, and stacking $50 a week is probably a decent dollar cost average opportunity. Even if it comes back down, you're still going to be able to add up and stack up a position there. Bought a whole pickup truck full of copper pipe scraps to collect center with my old boss, and he got over $7,000. Wow, Kombu, that is absolutely crazy, man. That's a lot for just a pickup truck full of copper pipes, man. So, Pudgy, there's some money in it, man. There's some money in it. And if you got a truck, if you got a trailer, dude, you can make it happen. Vegas Inu token. There you go. Electric Shiba Inu token. I knew there was a Vegas Inu guy in here somewhere. What do we got? People buying overpriced houses at high interest. People buying houses with backyard rodents. People feeding said rodents. Rodents mind controlling said people. Rodents gnawing on said people. I did not get gnawed on by a rodent, man. I punched myself in the face. If you're going to get the story right, get the story right. Yeah, dude. I would hate to be a victim of 8+% mortgage rates right now. Mortgage mate? I don't know what a mortgage mate is, but I know what a mortgage rate is. And I would hate to be the victim of an 8% plus mortgage rate right now. Oh my gosh, that's expensive, man. That's expensive. I've saved scrap metal and brought them to the scrapyard, but money they pay, it just doesn't seem worth it, or does seem worth it. Roulette wheel. Sorry for the question, but is an ETF is so important? I don't know what okay, so Claudio, an ETF is an exchange traded fund, and in the best way you can think of it, these stocks that we look at here, these companies, essas empresas, as ações aqui no mercado, o mercado de ações. Se temos Bitcoin ETF, temos ações de Bitcoin. Uma ação de Bitcoin. Entende? Espero que sim. And if we have this Bitcoin ETF, industries will be able to, not industries, but institutions will be able to buy into Bitcoin as a regulated stock. Investors, retail investors who do not trust cryptocurrency will be able to buy the ETF. It is going to be a regulated ETF. So if we do get an ETF, it is most likely going to increase the amount of money that buys into Bitcoin. And of course, the more money we have coming in, the higher the price should go. The higher the price goes, obviously, the more excitement it's going to generate. And then, of course, the FOMO can kick in. People will fear missing out, and they will want to buy even more. So, yes, a Bitcoin or an ETF is actually, at least in my opinion, a very important part of the evolution of Bitcoin and the amount of money that can flow into cryptocurrency. Not worth it. Gotcha. Roulette wheel. And it might not be, man. If you do it on a small scale, it might not be. Huge turnaround in the open, down 1.4%. Now comfortably in the green. Absolutely, Frank. But watch out, man. I don't know if these gains are going to be able to continue on or not. We are seeing these prices fall off. So Tesla getting rejected off of that double top. You've got Amazon. I can tell it's getting rejected right now. Amazon getting rejected off that intraday high. We just saw AMC getting rejected off this intraday high. If things begin to curl over right now, that's what I'd be watching for. The market may be topping out today and end up coming back down here. So just keep that in mind. Hey, bro, you need to drop Cincinnati defense and pick up another against JB this week. Both your defenses on bye. How do I pick up? So JB's gonna lose. JB's gonna, it's gonna be so good. Moji, you might have to help me with dropping that defense and picking up another one, but I will gladly do so. And I really appreciate your advice for last week on how to pick up a free agent player. So if I do have two defenses that are out this week, I will. I mean, I don't know. I guess I can still sort by fan points or projected points for week 7 or whatever. I understand how to do that now. But as far as like dropping a defense and then picking up a new one, still not sure that I would know how to do that. But any advice is absolutely appreciated, Moji. Hey, bro, you ever consider jumping into a ring with that killer haymaker you got? Kombu. Clearly, I believe every man has considered at some point in their life jumping into a ring and testing the might of their haymaker. So yes, I have considered that before. But I will say this in terms of fighting. I wouldn't consider myself someone who would really want to fight for fun. If I found myself unable to turn my back on you and walk away from a situation, if I found myself in the absolute necessity of a hand-to-hand combat, it's not going to end in somebody just raising your hand and saying that you're victorious. It's probably going to end in a much different manner. So I would only really want to fight if it was like a last resort effort. But it wouldn't result in somebody just walking away and a crowd cheering. It would be a much different ending. The way that I would view ever wanting to get in a fight with anybody. What happened to do your own research, Mo? Yeah, JB, there ain't no such thing as do your own research. It's gonna be win time this weekend. Yes, thank you for helping, Clay, Mo. Absolutely. Mo is the man. He did help me out a lot last weekend. I'm all in on Italy this month. Are you going to Italy? What's happening? Kenneth, you're going to Italy for the whole month, man? Hey, I think I took the #1 spot points for the Fantasy Football League this week. Hey, 775 Bree guy, you may have, man. Bitcoin looking strong right now. And the overall market bouncing back a little bit. Dude, you can't keep these stocks down today. 2 really nice green lines on Amazon. Now it looks like it's getting ready to retest the intraday high once again. Had a nice pullback, leveled off there, and now we're rolling. So I don't know, man. I don't know. This market is showing nothing but brute force strength today. Sam the Man. What's going on, Sam the Man? I used to be a boxer like you, and then I took an arrow to the knee. What? Got shot in the knee with an arrow? What the heck is happening there? Made $248 in dividends yesterday. Very nice. Get it, man. Those yield maxes are destroying it. My hand-to-hand combat would be the other guy getting maced. There you go, dude. There you go. And then you walk away with the situation if that's what it takes. It's just a mind-controlled effect that he said he punched himself, guys. The rodents have done their job. It's only downhill from here. Just watch for weird quirks from now on. What do you mean? There's gonna be no weird quirks at all, Michael Allen. No weird quirks whatsoever. No weird quirks at all, Michael. This guy's strange. You like me, Clay. Dangerous pacifist. Yes. And you know what, man? That's the way that it should be. It should be a last resort for everybody. Military makes it harder for me to even spar. My little brother is good enough to not get hurt. There you go, Frank. And you know what? That's good. That's the way that it should be. Can you pull up the Bitcoin chart? Yes, we can pull up the Bitcoin chart right here in the bottom left-hand side of the screens. It's throwing the greens on the line, getting ready to retest this 28,600 mark. We've got nothing but greens over the last 45 minutes here, which is an excellent sign, but we need to break up above 28.6 on Bitcoin if we really want to see the Bitcoin rally begin. How do you not know Skyrim meme? Oh, I probably don't know it either, man. I probably don't know it either. Cat USDT to the moon soon. We got Cat coin out there. Matt with Cat. Matt, we can look at Cat here in a second. How are you making those rodent noises so fast? JB, it must be the mind control. It must be. You guys have mind. What is it? Dinner for schmucks. The one guy's got brain control, but I've got mind control. Is that the difference? Is that the difference that they have there? When, what is it, Zach Galifianakis and Steve Carell, one's got mind control, one's got brain control. Oh, gosh. That's a good one. Should add that to your NPC list. Oh, I could, Roulette Wheel. And if you guys think that I am too proud to go full-on NPC on TikTok, you're going to be wrong on that one. I see these people making way too much money, making people laugh with their NPC noises and their NPC activities. I might jump in on it pretty soon. Clipro, thoughts on Maxi? Let's take a look at it. It's the Attack of the Yard Rodent said it is. Dark Bro. Donnell is in here. What's going on, Donnell? I'm glad you're in here, and thank you very much for swinging by. Simplify Bitcoin Strategy Plus. Interesting. Well, my first thought, just by seeing it, is that you definitely need some more volume on this ETF or whatever it is right here. We definitely need a lot more volume. Daily chart. Okay. This is interesting. All right. My first question, Frank. What did this ETF intro at? If this ETF introed at $20, I think you're in the exact same situation as the Yield Max ETFs. Okay? You've got your dividends here. Oh, 1 cent dividend. Now that's interesting. 40 cents. 15. 15. 15. 15. 15. Because this is following the price of Bitcoin very nicely. We could see that here. This is the price of, what is it, Maxi, the Bitcoin ETF. And then this is the chart for Bitcoin. Daily chart for Bitcoin here. Look, end of 2022. Down, and then nice following that line. Maxi. Come back down to Maxi. Down, and then we got to draw a line on it, right? But nicely following that line. It's near identical price action. which is excellent to see. You do have this dividend on top of it. We have doubled in price from $8 to $16, the same way that Bitcoin has nearly doubled in price from 15 to nearly 30,000. So the price action is almost identical there. But has it been reduced? I mean, is this the same deal that you're seeing with Weeble charts for the yield max here? Did this intro at maybe $15, $20 and then has come down since then? If no, hey man, excellent. You're getting some income there. But I've never looked at this chart until now, and volume seems to be too low for me. Volume does seem to be way too low. I mean, dude, you got 400 shares being traded. 2,000 shares being traded yesterday. 400 shares being traded today. So I don't like the volume at all, but I do like the fact that it is following Bitcoin and that you're getting a dividend on top of it. I just don't like the volume on it there. Tunnel, 19 months of bro. Still bro strong, even if I don't get in much. Loving it, Donnell. And thank you very much for keeping that name for 19 months. Everybody throw congratulations out there to Donnell. Keeping that green name for 19 months. She's an absolute committed bro. I love it. Donnell, absolutely appreciating it. Wow, Uber Major. What? Uber Major San or Rustin Alligator. I don't even know what Dark Bro just said right there. Launched at 1250 is share. 1250. Actually, then I like it. I just don't like the volume, but I do like that. If it launched at 1250 is share. Do I like it if it launched at 1250 is share? Down to 1114, huh? Intro price is 1114. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. 90. What you got? 105? Yeah, 105, 120. 120, essentially 160. And then these two are nothing. $1.60, 1250. I mean 1090, right? When did it pay this? It should have been adjusted already. Yeah, Frank, man, I don't know. I think that the same thing is happening with this one that you see happening with the yield max. It's just a redistribution, man, to keep that chart looking good and keep that chart following Bitcoin. I'd probably rather just buy Bitcoin. Would be my thing. Hoodro, you ignore my nope. What? I did, man. I didn't ignore it, though. I just didn't see it. Dark Bro! Never ignore. Nope. Oh, my gosh. Nope. Sam the man, what did I do? Nope. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the nope. And I did not mean to ignore it. I truly did not see it. So Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that. And I don't want anybody to think that I ever ignored them. Oh my goodness. And Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is getting ready to break through that 28,600 level right now. Bitcoin is looking good. Where cat? Please bring it up. Oh, Matt, I got you with the cat directly from Donnell. What do you think about that? All right, cat token. I don't know if it's this one or not, but we'll bring this one up as I go. Meow. Meow. Thank you very much, Donnell, for the beautiful black cat. That's for you, Matt. What you think about that? Oh, yes. And I don't know if this is the cat token you're talking about right here, but we got cat token sitting at 5.5 cents right now. It is down 1% on the week. It is up 40% on the month. It is up, down 47% on the year. And it is, wow, it's only up 1% from its all-time, from its intro here. That's interesting, dude. That's not bad, then. That's not bad. So, if you're looking at this meme coin, it's all the way back down to the price that it launched at. Only 1.84% lower. This is basically exactly where it came out. During the bull market, This bad boy ran all the way up to a $2.19 high. Currently sitting at 5 cents right now. You're looking at a 40x gain to get back up to that all-time high. 40x gain, yeah, to bring you back up to a $14 million market cap. Look, I don't know if Cat Token's going to make it. I don't know if it's going to live through this bear market. Volume is extremely low, $2,000. Market cap, pretty low, $300,000. And if it doesn't continue to get volume, if it doesn't continue to get excitement, if it doesn't continue to get people like Matt talking about Cat and thinking about that, then it's just, it might lose its hat. Simple as that. You know, I miss Pat. Matt, dude, I don't know. Cyber Arena token, so I'm not even looking at the right one. Oh my gosh. Cyber Arena. All right. He wants this one real quick. Dude, you can't come in here promoing Cat and then have me look at that. Come in with Cyber Arena. Crap. All right, so on the day, Cyber Arena is down 1.66. It's down 30% over the last week. It is down 82% over the last month. It is down 82% over the last month again. So this token came out on October 5th, and it has done nothing but go down so far. I don't know why it is doing nothing but going down. I don't necessarily like tokens that do nothing but go down, but if for some reason you got this at the absolute bottom here at 0.0059 or 0.006 that it's trading at right now, you can see some excellent gains ahead. But I would be a little skeptical of a $0 market cap, and it's still getting a lot of trading, $68,000 in trades. Not bad. So listed on MEXC, listed on Gate.io, but yeah, if that listing is not enough to make the price go up, I would be a little skeptical about that coin. And that's just me, man. That's just me looking at the pricing, knowing nothing about what they're doing right there. What do you do with the afternoons when you're not broing with us? Just curious. Well, normally I eat lunch. Sometimes I might run to the store. Sometimes I just feed the chipmunks, relax in the backyard. I'm not going to be doing that today because it's kind of cold out. It's 50 degrees, cloudy, a little rainy. So it just all depends, man. If I can get a workout in between live streams, I like to do that. If I can't do that, I'm just eating. If it's really nice outside, I might just be enjoying the day. But a lot of the time, if I use that time to look up stuff for other videos as well, and make sure I know what's going on so that I can continue to do some videos there. But regardless of that, we are coming back to the chat because it is after 1 o'clock. Say goodbye to Matt. All of you guys, man. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. Frank, man! Thank you for the rose. 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 Oh, Frank caught me on a glitch, man. My AI is acting up again. Matt, K-Home, man. Next level, see you later. Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel. Josh, Danelle, Roulette Wheel. Thank you for the rose. Dark Bro, see you later, man. Matt, Dark Bro, Moji, Roulette Wheel, Kombu, Danelle. Sam Demand number 7. Enjoy your afternoon, Sam Demand. Pudgy Sam, peace out of the diamond-handed thumb. Boomers, baby. Dark Bro, Matt, enjoy it. Dark Bro, Sam Demand, Tommy, Josh, DD214, peace out to you, man. Sam Demand, see you later. NPC, always, Roulette Wheel. You know, you guys know that I can do it, man. I'm good at it. Ta to you, Kai. Just Jeff, see you later. Moji, Kombu, all of you guys. You know what time it is, Dark Bro. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Should I go NPC? Nope. Oh, NPC? Nope. Oh, NPC? Nope. Nah. Dark Bro, I'm going to start a new green name. It's going to be called the Big Bro green name. The Big Brother. And if you sign up for the big bro green name, you save yourself from having to deal with the NPC life right now. Oh my god, dude. I can't stand it, man. I cannot stand the NPC either. But I also can't stand knowing the fact that TikTok is just promoting it for free and people are making like $2,000 a day acting like an AI chatbot. It's insane. Dark Bro, should I do it? Nope. Oh, Dark Bro. Nope. Oh, Dark Bro. Nope. All right, Dark Bro, he said that, yep, I should do it. Dark Bro said, let's get started. NPC action, NPC bro coming your way. Dark Bro, Moji, Angel Man, enjoy it. Dark Bro, Danelle, see you later. Sam Demand, Angel Man, see you later. Pudgy, Dark Bro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.